last class we have started the Gauss elimination method. So I'm continuing problems on the Gauss elimination method. We take down the next example on the Gauss elimination method here. Solve by the method of the Gauss elimination. Solve by Gauss elimination method. Solve by Gauss elimination method. Equations are 5x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 4. x1 plus 7x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 12. x1 plus x2 plus 6x3 plus x4 equal to minus 5. Next x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 4x4 equal to minus 6. So solve this system of the equation by the Gauss elimination method. Equations are, I am repeating once again, 5x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 4, x1 plus 7x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 12, x1 plus x2 plus 6x3 plus x4 equal to minus 5, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 4x4 equal to minus 6. So we have to solve this by the method of the Gauss elimination solution. So first I am going to write the augmented matrix 5 1 1 1. Instead of xyz, here the notations will be used x1, x2, x3 and x4. 4. Next 1 7 1 1 12. Next 1 1 6 1 minus 5. Next 1 1 1 4 minus 6. So here I am taking it for the convenient. I am taking the row transformation to make the leading element of the first row first element 1. I am going to make an interchange of the R1 and R4. You can also make an interchange with the R2, R3 also. I am making it the R4 here, so that our matrix is equivalent to, write down the entire elements of the fourth row in the first and first in the fourth. So 1 1 1 4 minus 6, 1 7 1 1 12, 1 1 6 1 minus 5, 5 1 1 1 4. So next procedure is, using this element, make all these below elements 0. So to follow that procedure, the transformation I am using is R2 tends to R2 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1, R4 tends to R4 minus, here it is a 5, so this term is 1, so I am converting it to a 1 by 1 to 5 by multiplying it by 5, 5 into R1. So now R4 tends to R4 minus 5 R1, R2 tends to R2 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So apply these transformations now. Now your augmented matrix is equivalent to, write down your first row as it is, 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 1 6, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 12 minus of minus 6, 12 minus of minus 6 becomes 18. Now 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 4, minus 3. Minus 5, minus of minus plus 6, 1. 5, 1 into 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. No, 1 minus 1 into 5, 5. 1 minus 5, minus 4. 1 minus 5, minus 4. 1 minus 5 into 4, 20. 1 minus 20, minus 19. 4 minus 6 into 5, minus 6 into 5, minus 30. Minus of minus, plus 30, 34. So next procedure is using this element, make a below element 0. So this one is already 0, make this term to a 0 now. So the transformation we are using here, so here it is a 6 and here it is a 4. Either you can make it a conversion of, you can, here all the terms are common with the 3. So you can make the dividing of the R2 by the 3, then it becomes a R2 by 3 means 6 by 3 minus 3 by 3, 18 by 3. You can make that simplification also. If it is common, you can take that common also. So I am taking the common, that is like a R2 divided by 3. R2 tends to R2 divided by 3. I am making this division because all these terms are divided by 3. That's why I am taking the division of this entire row by the 3. So next our matrix is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 4, minus 6. 0, 6 by 3 is 2, 0 by 3 is 0, minus 3 by 3 is minus 1, 18 by 3 is 6. Remaining elements will be written as it is now. 0, minus 4, minus 4, minus 19, 34. Now I am going to take a simplification. Now it is R2, make a below element 0. So it's already 0. Now convert it to the 0. R4 tends to R4. Both are having a different signs, means opposite signs. So take a addition. Here it is 4, here it is 2. Now it convert to a 2. Make a multiplication of 2 into R2. So now the matrix becomes 1, 1, 1, 4, minus 6, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 6, 0, 0, 5, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 4, 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 plus 4, 0, minus 4, 2 into 0, 0, minus 4, minus 19, minus 4 into 1, 4, minus 19, minus 4, minus 21. Sorry, minus 19 into, sorry, minus 2. Now 34 plus 16 to 2, 12. 34 plus 12, 46. First multiply this row by the 2. 2 to 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 19, minus 21. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 34, 46. So that is our augmented matrix. So next procedure is using this element, make a below element 0. Using this element, make a below element 0. Here the transformation I am using is, so here I am going to take a cross multiplication of the elements here, because there is no common elements will be comes here. So that's why I am taking a cross multiplication of the elements here. So to make this element is 0, here it is R4. R4 tends to, here it is 4, here it is 5. So take a cross multiplication of these two elements. Multiply this row by the 5. 5 into R4, both have opposite sign. So take a addition. Here it is 5. 5 into 4. means 4 into R3. So now your matrix becomes, write on the first row as it is 1 1 1 4 minus 6. Second row as it is, third row as it is. Now R4 tends to 5 into R4 first, 0 0, first two terms are 0. 5 into 4 minus 20 plus 4 into 5 20, 0, minus 21 into 5 minus 105 plus 4 into R3, 4 into 3 12, 105 112 is 5 to 7 1 1. So here it is also minus n because minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, minus 1 1 7. Now 46 into 5, 46 into 5 plus 4 into 1 4. 46 into 5 plus 1 is 234. Now see this, all diagonal means all the using all the diagonal elements we converted a below elements to 0, so that we have converted into a matrix that is called a, that we have already discussed in this method, that is reducing a coefficient of a matrix to a upper triangular matrix, means all the below diagonal elements we have to make convert to a 0. So we have converted all the diagonal below diagonal elements will be converted to 0 now. Now we have to write down the system of equation to this upper triangular matrix, that is 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 1 into x3 plus 4 into x4 equal to minus 6. 0 into x1 is 0, 2 into x2, 0 into x3 0, minus 1 into x4 is minus, sorry, x2 minus x4 equal to 6. 0 into x1 0, 0 into x2 0, 5 into x3 minus 3 into x4 equal to 1. 0 into x1 0, 0 into x2 0, 0 into x3 0, minus 117 into x4 equal to 234. Now we have to make the simplification. From the last equation, send the x4 equal to, send this minus 117 onto the RHS side, that is minus 234 divided by 117, that is equal to minus 2. So x4 equal to minus 2. Now substitute this x4 equal to minus 2 in this equation. We get a x3. So 5 into x3 minus 3 into x4 equal to minus 2 equal to 1. Minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. 5x3 plus 6 equal to 1. Send a 6 onto the RHS side. 5x3 equal to 1 minus 6 equal to minus 5. 5x3 equal to minus 5. 5 sent to RHS side. x3 equal to minus 1. Now substitute a x3. Now we have to find out the x2. Substitute a x4 here now. 2 into x2 minus x4 equal to minus 2 equal to 6. Minus of minus plus 2x2 plus 2 equal to 6. Send 2 onto the RHS side. 2x2 equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So x2 equal to 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. So x2 equal to 2. Now substitute x2, x3, x4 in the equation 1. That is x1 plus x2 equal to 2, x3 equal to minus 1 plus 4 into x4 equal to minus 2 equal to minus 6. Now we have to take a simplification. 2 minus 1 is 3. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 2 minus 1 is plus 1 equal to minus 6. 1 minus 8 is minus 7 minus 6. Send a minus 7 onto the RHS side. Plus 7 minus 6 plus 7 equal to 1. So x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2, x3 equal to minus 1, x4 equal to minus 2. If you want, you can make the cross check of the terms here. See here, in the equation 1 or 2, any one equation, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 4, x4 should be must to equal to a minus 6. So I am taking all the substitutions here. x1 is 1, x2 is 2, x3 is minus 1, x4 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. 1 cancelled. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. So that is our RHS. So that is easiest way to cross check the terms we have obtained as right or not. So that is the procedure of solving the example here. So I am taking the next example, one more example on this case here. Take on the next example, apply Gauss elimination method. Apply Gauss elimination method to solve the system of equations. So equations are 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52, 2x plus y minus z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 9. So using this term we have to be solved now. Write down the solution. Again write down the augmented matrix first. So our augmented matrix is equals to coefficient of x is 2. Here the coefficient of y is 5. Coefficient of z is 7 and RHS is 52. Next, coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of z is minus 1, 0. A coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of z is 1, 9. Now, here first and second row both the elements are 2. So to make the convenience, to make the simplification very easy, I am going to take here for the convenience, for the convenient to solve the simplification, for our convenient I am taking again the interchanging of the row. So take the interchange of the row, I am choosing R3 because it is 1. So for the convenient I am taking R1 and R3 I am going to interchange R1 and R3. So by the interchange of R1 and R3, our matrix is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 9, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, R3, 2, 5, 7, 52. Interchange R1 and R3. Now, using this element, make these two elements is 0. Now, R2 tends to R2 minus, here it is a 2, here it is 1, convert it to R2, take a multiplication of 2, 2 into R1. Similarly for R3 also, R3 tends to R3 minus 2 into R1. Now your augmented matrix becomes, write down the first row elements as it is now, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 2 into 1, 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 into 1, 2, minus 3. 0 minus 9 into 2, 18 minus 18. Next 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 2 into 1 2, 5 minus 2 3. 7 minus 2 into 1 2, 7 minus 2 5. 52 minus 9 into 2 18, 34. First we write the augmented matrix. After writing the augmented matrix, for our convenient, I am going to convert first element of the first row to 1. I am taking the interchange of this R1 with the R3. Interchange R1 and R3. After taking the interchange of R1 with the R3, augmented matrix will be written. Write on the entire element of the third row in the first row, entire third row element, first row element in the third. After that, using the first row first element, I am going to convert below element of the 1, means below element of this 1 will be 0. So to convert these two terms to a 0, I am using the transformation R2 tends to R2 minus 2 into R1. R3 tends to R3 minus 2 into R1. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, 0 minus 9. 9 into 2, 18. 1 into 2, 2. 1 minus 2, minus 3, minus 1 minus, 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, 0 minus 2 into 9, 18, minus 18. Next 2 into 2 minus 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 into 1 2, 5 minus 2 3, 7, 2 into 1 2, 7 minus 2 5, 52, 9 into 2 18, 52 minus 18 is 34. So next procedure is using this element make this term 0. So transformation applied is R3 tends to R3. Here it is 3. Here it is minus 1. So take addition. To convert this term to a 3, multiply it by 3. 3 into R2. Now 1, 1, 1, 9. 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 18. 0 as it is 3 plus 1 into minus 3, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0. 5 plus minus 3 into 3, minus 9. 5 minus 9, minus 4. 34 plus minus 18 into 3, 54. Minus 54 plus 34, 20. So now the matrix is converted to a upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means all the elements are, all the diagonal, below diagonal elements are converted to a 0. Here it is minus 20. Plus 34 minus 54 is minus 20. So now see there. This is a diagonal elements. The diagonal, below diagonal elements will be converted to a 0. That is upper triangular matrix. Now we have to write down the system of the equations here. So to write the system of equations, use 1 into x1 is x1 plus 1 into x2 is x2 plus 1 into x3 is x3 equal to 9. 0 into x1, 0, minus 1 into x2, minus x2, minus 3 into x3, minus 3x3 equal to minus 18. 0 into x1, 0, 0 into x2, 0, minus 4 into x3 equal to minus 20. So minus 4x3 equal to minus 20. Cancel the minus sign on both sides. 4x3 equal to 20. x3 equal to 20 by 4 is 5. So x3 equal to 5. Substitute this x3 equal to 5 in the second equation. Minus x2 into minus 3 into 5 equal to minus 18. So 5 into 3 plus 50. Plus into minus x3 minus x3 minus 15 equal to minus 18. Send the minus 15 onto the RHS side. Plus 15 minus 18 equal to minus 3. So x3 equal to here the coefficients we have used, that is x, y, z. So take a x, y, z only. X plus y plus z equal to 9. Y minus 3z equal to minus 18. Minus 4z equal to minus 20. Z equal to 5. So I just used a different notation. Then nothing will be changed here. So x2 is nothing but the y. x3 is nothing but this. So x2 is nothing but the y here. So minus y, 5 into 3 minus 15 equal to minus 18. So minus y equal to minus 18 plus 15. So minus y equal to minus 3, y equal to 3. So now substitute both x and now substitute both z and y in the first equation. You will get a x here. So put a x, y equal to 3. X plus, I am just using the x plus y equal to 3, z equal to 4 equals to 9. Equal to 9. So now take the simplification. 4 plus 3, 7. Send a 7 onto the RHS side. So z equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 equal to 9. X equal to 9 minus 8, x equal to 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. These are the values of the x, y, z. See here. First we have taken the argumented matrix. In the argumented matrix, for the convenient, I am taking the interchange of R1 and R3 here. After taking the interchange of the R1 and R3, the below element of the first row, first element, make a below elements is 0. So that the transformation we have used is R2 tends to R2 minus 2 into R1. R3 tends to R3 minus 2 into R1. So on that, after that we have get the matrix this one. So here again using this element, make this below element 0. So that we have used R3 tends to R3 plus 3 into R2. So we get this matrix. So all the below elements of the diagonal element will convert it towards 0. Now we have to write down the equation here. So first I have written the x1, x2, x3 coefficients. Those are nothing but the x, y, z. 1 into x, 1 into y, 1 into z, z. So x plus y plus z equal to 9. 0 into x is 0. Minus 1 into y is minus y. Minus 3 into z is minus 3z equal to minus 18. 0 into x is 0, 0 into y is 0, minus 4 into z is minus 4z equal to minus 20. So minus 4z equal to minus 20, z equal to 5. Substitute this z in the second equation. So minus y, z is 5, 5 into 3 is 15, minus 15. Send a minus 15 onto the RHS side. So we get a plus 15. So minus y equal to minus 3. So y equal to 3. Now substitute both z and y in this equation. Y equal to 3, z equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Send a 8 onto the RHS side. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 becomes a 1. So x equal to 1. So we get the values x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. So these are the values of the system of this equation. for the cross check we can substitute in the any one equation we can substitute a value of the x, y, z here. So I am choosing this third equation because it is a simple to simplification. So x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So that is our RHS. So LHS must be equal to RHS. So equations will be satisfied. So these are the examples on the Gauss elimination method.